Yes, Udit, good morning.
Good morning,
Nobody,
ma'am.
yes, nobody is there in the lab. Why?
It's Monday. Today is Monday.
So they are in the sleeping mode. See, now they are joining.
Yes, ma'am.
Wake your friends up. Come on, go. Message them, call them. Monday means no zero energy. Monday means high energy. We shall wait for 2-3 minutes while others are joining. All right, let's begin. Uh, so, in the last lab, what type of questions we have done? Anybody remember? Yes, we have done lucky draw, we have done lottery program. Oh, good programs we have done. All right, so I'm giving you a few more questions, okay? Mm, oh, yeah, this is actually a good question. How shall I? Okay, yeah. Oh, yes, before that, before that, have you tried the rock, paper, scissors question? Have you tried that? No, right? Okay, so we can begin with that. No issues. All right, we can begin with that question. Okay, and one of you, I request one of you to at least keep these questions, just the questions in a Word file or anywhere you feel comfortable. You can write. I don't care. The reason is that I will not have the reference to these questions later on because the questions that are coming into my mind, I'm directly giving you as it is. So I don't have a backup of these questions, and these questions will serve as a lab manual at the last, okay? So please make sure that any one of you in the class is making a note of just the questions, that's all. Okay, so rock, paper, scissors question, it's a very good question. What we need to do, simple, right? Okay, yeah, we can be creative also over here. We can make this game a one-player game. One-player game in the sense you are playing against a computer, right? And if you are playing against a computer, then computer can throw any one random index. You just create a list, yeah? You just create a list or a tuple that is having these three records, rock, paper, scissors, okay? If you want to enhance this, and if you know that that Big Bang Theory, you know it is Lizard Spock also at the end. If you want to enhance, the game is more complicated at that point. You can do it like that also. And the rules are same. You know the rules of the game, right? Rock, paper, scissors game. Anybody know the rule? Or everybody, are you aware of the rules? Yes or no? Oh, yes, you are aware, right? Yes, okay, good, Vivek. That's good. Okay, so simple, yeah. Just try to, implement those rules using if condition in your program. That's it. All right, shall we begin with that question? You all are ready? Ready with your editors? Okay, all right. Let's begin with that question, okay? What about others? Only Vivek is saying, yes, I am ready. Others are still not ready. Others are still in their, Sunday weekend mode. Okay, Khushbu and Nidhi is saying yes. What about others? Udit, Khushbu is there. Okay, Yuvraj. Okay, good. Ami, Mansi, what about you both? Okay, good. Let's begin with that game. If you have any simplest question, just unmute and talk to me. Okay. Or you can even mention the question in the chat box. I'm okay with that. Let us begin with the first program. After that, I am giving you a second question for today. Let me, yeah, this we can, okay, see. Floating point, okay, now let's load the number. And based on the number input, what we need to do, we simply need to and the integral portion. The integral portion once you, okay, yes, Janvi, regarding the rock, paper, scissors, what you need to do, okay, let me share my screen, all right. Is my screen visible? Okay. Okay, yes. Okay. So, rock, paper, scissors is a very simple game. What you need to do first, why I'm opening this? This can be done in Notepad also. Yeah. Okay. So rock, paper, scissors is a very simple game. What we need to do is, if you are asking for a one-player game, then you have one player. User is one player, and against computer, this player is playing. So user 2 will be a computer. Now what happens in the game? I'm just giving you a small way to do it. You can do it in any which way, of course. I'm giving you a small way to do this. You are actually having a list which is having these strings, okay? It is having rock. I'm simply writing R, okay? Just for simplicity. Rock, then we have paper, and then we have scissor, okay? So your list is having these three strings inside it. The game actually can be advanced with the help of Lizard and Spock if you want. It is an advanced game if you look at some episodes or that theory in Big Bang Theory, you will be getting it. But no need to again complicate it. We can simply choose to keep it to rock, paper, scissors. This is a string, okay. Now this string is meant for computer. This list, I'm creating this list for computer. Why? Because computer has to randomly throw any one of these strings out of it. Okay, so one string will be thrown by user. You need to input this string from user, what user wants to be. Whether user wants to be paper or whether he wants to be, scissor, that is going to be the input from user. If user chooses to be rock, if the user input is rock, then you are randomly generating any one of these three strings as the computer's choice. If that choice from this random generated number is again rock only, okay, then it is a draw, it is a tie in the game, right? Whenever it is a tie in the game, you redo the game, you keep it in a loop, take the input again, and ask the computer to generate a random number again whenever it is a tie. Whenever it is not a tie, what do? We simply give the result. What is the result of it? Do you know? Whenever it is, when the user is rock and the computer is paper, what is the output? Who won the game? Can you tell me? Who won the game? When the user is rock, when user chooses to be rock, and computer is choosing to be paper, who won the game? Who won that round? Do you know that? Computer, right? Yes, good, yes. So you just announce that, okay, computer is the winner. That's it. That is all you need to do. Now got what you need to do. Are you getting now? Okay. Good. Harsh has joined late today. Sangani, you joined late? No problem, but make sure that you are working on these questions, okay? The first game that we are doing today is rock, paper, scissors game. User is entering a floating point number. Find the interior portion of that number. Okay. So yeah, this can be done. And check whether it is even or odd. Yes, that is the second question. Before you move on to the second question, you let me know there are some constraints in the question number 2. And then I can give another question. We can move on to the plan list. Yeah. So find the whatever you feel comfortable. Yeah, eighth one. Eighth largest number. Two digit, I want positive or negative numbers. Yes. Then, what else I want to give you? Eighth largest number is an easy task. What we can list. Let us see, we can keep it to dimensional list. Dimensional list, and then the if you have your list, okay. put this 12 because we have 6 and yes. Hmm. Yeah, this can be done. Okay, anybody facing any challenges, let me know. I will check and help you out. Yes, anybody facing any difficulties, you can unmute and talk to me. You can share your screen also. Oh, good. Janvi, please share your screen. Very good. Please share your screen. Uh, yes, don't worry about editors. Please share your screen. Don't worry. Wherever you do the program, there is no problem in which editor you want to do. There is no issue about that.
Is
Yes.
it invisible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. I can see your screen. Okay, so we have taken a list, all right. We have taken inputs from user. Yes, okay. And you have used random choice, inputted random, all right. So any one choice from that will be selected, correct? It is good that you know the choice function, huh, Janvi? Very nice. And you are printing the computer's input, all right. And your input is, you are using the format function to print it, very good. If both are same, then it is a tie, of course. And if it is a tie, is it running again? It is not running again, no, just create an infinite loop. And okay, just create an infinite loop, all right, and above this, just while true, so that if this is the case, no, it redoes the thing again. Got the change. Rest, let me check the program. Else, if user input is rock and it is paper, then you are winning. And if it is rock and Caesar, then you are winning. Okay, can't we merge both these conditions, Janvi? Using or in between paper and scissor, so that you don't have to write so much else if. You can do it, right? So that you don't have to write so much of code. But it is good. Yes. Paper and scissor, then the computer is winning. Otherwise, you are winning if it is scissor and paper, all right? Yes, yes, the code looks very good. Only the small change I am suggesting over here is that keep an infinite loop so that whenever it is a tie, it redoes the thing again. First thing. Second thing, just remove so many of the stuff. There is no need of, making the program so big. Rest your game is correct. Very good. Done, done. Yes. Yes. Anybody else done with the program? Very nice, Chanvi.
May I stop the sharing screen?
Yes, 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 yes. Please go ahead. Please stop sharing. Yes. Anybody else who is trying? Okay, people are trying this question, right? Oh, yes, Vivek, you are done. Good, good, good. Please share your screen. Yes, yes, I can see your screen. Okay, so we have taken a list, random integer, the range is given accordingly, and is going to be the random number. You are printing the computer's choice, all right. If okay, they both have same, it's a tie between you. If it's wrong, and you have created a nested else if, right? Okay, yeah, you have created if and said that. Okay, even that is also correct. And if it is paper, then you are choosing, accordingly. Yes. And you are breaking because you have done an infinite loop before. Scroll up. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, correct. Good, good. Done. Very nice. Yes. Good, good, good. Done, done. Anybody else? Okay, others are still trying. You are trying the question, right? What about Udit, Mansi, Yash, Ami? You all are trying the question? Yes, yes, no issues. You still have, we have so much of time. Please don't worry about time. All right. Those who have done with this question, no, Vivek and Janvi, I want you to look at question number 2. All right. That question, it is mentioned that user can input a floating point number. All right. Find out whether, what we need to do is we need to find the integer portion out of it. Let me give you one small example. I'll share my screen. Where is the share? Yeah. Yeah, this is a good number to try. Or we can even keep it. Yeah, let's keep it till. Yes. Yeah, this will suffice. All right. So the question states that those who are done with the first question, okay. The second question states that user is entering a floating point number. Find the integer portion of that number and check whether it is even or odd. The problem looks very simple because you just have to extract this number out of it. But whenever you are converting this number to integer, it checks the digits after decimal to round it up to a big fat number, to the next number in short, in the sense. If it is 238.9, no, this will actually, the number, if you convert this into integer, mathematically it is going to be 239 only. So whenever you're converting it to integer, you don't have to simply extract this part, but you need to round up the digits and you need to apply the mathematical laws, and then you need to do seal and floor accordingly after checking the rest of the digits. Are you getting the question? Those who are done with the first question, Vivek and Janvi, are you getting this thing what we are doing here? I am repeating the concept again. Yes, I'll repeat it again, no worries. You are given a floating point number, you are having a floating point number. Now, based on this number, if you think about rounding this number up, then the rounding of this number will definitely be in terms of 239. If you convert this number and if you round it up, it will be 239. And if the number is something like this, 21, say for example, and if you convert this number to integer, the number will remain 238 only. You are not actually simply converting it to, integer. You are not typecasting over here, but you are rounding the digits up. Whenever you are rounding the digits up, no. Whatever is the output that you are getting after rounding, you need to check whether this output is simply even or odd, okay? That's it. Now, did you get the question? After rounding up the number, whatever is the final number that you are getting, the problem will come whenever you are doing this for negative numbers. Also, make sure that you are also inputting negative numbers from user. If you take a negative number, then the rounding will take place in a different way. That also you need to make sure. Now, are you getting the question? Yes or no? Yes. Please try this question. You need to use if and else. You need to use. Pawan, you are which ID you are using to sign in, beta? Pawan,
Yes, ma'am.
which ID? Which are you using? Institute's email address, beta, to log in?
Yes, ma'am.
Then how come it is asking me to allow you? Why?
I don't know. I am trying from half an hour, but it's not connecting, ma'am.
Okay, fine, no issues.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so if you have got the question, please work on it. Make sure that user can also input negative numbers. So then you need to work accordingly for negative numbers. Yes, very good. Khushbu, please share your screen. Let me stop presenting. Yeah, please share your screen, Khushbu. Yes, I can see your screen. Yes, Khushbu, sorry for the interruption. My laptop's battery, went off. Okay, so you have yes taken input from user. All right, computer choice is there, and you are comparing. If it is same, it is a tie. All right, good. Yes. If and again you have used the else if structure only, so that you don't have to worry about correct. Again, you can merge this, Khushbu. You know that, right? You can merge, no, this one else if user equals to paper, and in another bracket you can keep both the ors, whether computer is or whether computer is any other thing. Scissor, getting it? You can do that, right? You understand, right? You can combine ands and ors in one statement. Yes, yes, yes. Otherwise, the program is correct. There is no point. There is no problem in the question program. Correct, correct. Good, good. Done, done, done. Yes, yes. Please stop sharing. Oh, Ria has done. Yes, Ria, please share your screen. Ami is also done. Good, good. Yes, your screen is visible. Okay, so you have. Oh, do you want to play again? That also you have done. Good, good. Yes. Yes, yes, Ria, correct. Show me your program again once. I joined with my laptop now. Yeah, show me. Yes, okay. Okay, so you have a, okay, if your choice is one, then okay. If it is, yes, correct, correct, okay. So you, computer is also entering the choice beta? Okay, it is randomly generated, right? Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. Show me a program just once again. Yeah, okay. So, oh, yes, yes, random int is there. I missed it. Sorry. Yes, 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 I got it. I missed your random int function. Good, good, good. And then you have compared using if else, and you have used or. So that is easy. You don't have to work for multiple, if and else is correct. Good, good, good. Yes, yes, yes. Very nice. Done, done. Yes, yes, you can stop sharing. Very good. Yes, somebody else was also telling. Wait, I have to check. Okay, Janvi, you are telling something. You are done with which question, beta?
I have done second program, so
Yes, yes, please share your screen. Okay, you have used round. If you are rounding up the digit, then you are simply converting that to, okay. Enter a number which is, having 0.9 beta at the end. Yeah, so I just want to check whether it is doing perfectly or not. That is 76, okay. If it is 76.9, then is it rounding up to 8? Just 9. Okay, roundup is okay. If you mention 78.9, just 9, not 0, is it rounding up to 79? That is what I wanted to check. Yeah, correct. Good, good, good. Done, done, done. Very nice. Done. For negative, even round is working, no? So yeah. Yes, 290. Correct. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Yeah. Okay, now we can move on to the third question. You have the record, right? My chat is actually deleted from here because I rejoined. No. Do you have the third question, Beta? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, please. Okay, Ami was telling, Ami, you are done with the first question? Yes, please share your screen. Yes, I can see your screen. Okay. So, user is Rock. You both have entered the same. That is Rock. Correct. Okay, it's a tie. Computer loses the match. Yes, correct. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Let me see the program. Ami, can you show me the program once, beta? Yes. Okay. So possible inputs is a list over there. Then you have taken random choice to enter. You know, it will randomly select one of them. Good. You are printing the inputs. Okay. Good. If they both are same, then okay. Correct. Good. 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 Very nice. Yes. Yes. Mansi, please share your screen. Yes. So, okay. So your random choice, inputting the data from user, and you are comparing. If it is both same, then it is a tie. Correct. Okay. Yes. No, no. Got it. Got it. No need to run. Good. Good. Yes. Yes. Now try the next question. I will fill my bottle and come. Please give me 1 minute. Yes. Anybody struggling with any of the concept? Let me know. I will help you out. Yes. Okay. So, Janvi, what we need to do in question number 3 is you need to find the kth largest number. In the sense, if you have a list of 10 numbers, which is random orientation. Why I'm telling it is a random orientation? Because you are populating or filling the list with random numbers. No need to take so much of input from users. Create an empty list, run the for loop for whatever number of elements you want to put, and randomly generate numbers in 2-digit number. Okay, and the range of that number will be from negative 99 to positive 99. If you keep that range in the random number, then all the numbers in between this, be it positive, be it negative, could be filled up in that list. Do you understand this much? This much do you understand? Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, now what is the question? What is the meaning of the question is, you are having a list with random numbers inside it. Okay, initially the list is empty. Now you choose to populate this list with, say for example, 20 numbers, and all these numbers must be random. I am telling you that all these numbers must be random. If you want to fill out a list with random numbers, then you need to have a loop. All right, and I am telling that we need to fill this. You need to fill the list with random numbers in a range. Okay, so to create random number in a range, you need to use a function. I wanted to research on that. Okay, how do you do that? I wanted to research on that, but you need to fill this list with random numbers in the range of positive, negative 99 to positive 99. In the sense, what all numbers can come in the list? It could be negative 50, it could be 0 also, it could be positive 69. Random numbers will be there, negative 10, maybe positive 1. Any random number that you feel in this range, it will be populated or it will be generated and stored in this list. If the list is empty, we know that we can use the append command to insert that number in that list, right? That you remember. So what we need to do in for loop, that is filling up or populating the list with 20 numbers. Run your loop for 20 times, all right? Run your loop for 20 times. In that loop's body, every time generate one random number and make sure that you are giving this range in the bracket of that random number function. Okay, and whenever you have given this range in that bracket, it will throw any one number at a time. Whatever number is thrown from here, no, just append that number onto that list and your list is filled with that number. Now what you need to do here, and that function is nothing but random int only. If you don't want to research, I'm directly giving you the example over here. If you put here, if you put here 10, 20, then it will generate a random number in this range. So it will throw any one number at a time. So, and if you want to have the list full of, say for example, 20 such numbers, just use this formula, random number, in which range you want to give from negative 99 on the number line till positive 99, any number could, come. So this will generate only one number, and whatever number is generated, just append that number onto the list. Now, did you get the concept of initializing the list? Yes or no? That you first tell me. Did you got the concept of how to initialize the list with random number in so and so range? Okay, good. Once you have got that, now what we need to do, you are already having the list in your hand. You need to find, say for example, the question is, you need to find the first largest number. The first largest number in the sense, you need to, you already know this, I'm still telling you the shortcut of this, sort the list. If it is asked to, if you sort the list, beta, the first, it is in ascending order, then always the last element, wouldn't that be the first largest element? Tell me. If you sort the list in ascending order, then the last element of the list, if the list is sorted in ascending order, then wouldn't this be the first largest number? Yes or no? In the list. If the list is sorted in ascending order, then wouldn't this number be the first largest number in the list? Yes, that's it. You just print that number. And even if you, I'm just giving you one hint, if you don't want to get into the length and everything, no, you already know that -1 will reference to the last element of the list, negative indexing. -2 will reference to the second largest number, the third largest number, the fourth largest number. Whatever is the largest number user is asking, you know how to get it because you know the sort function. You just sort the list and you can, use this index to print the record accordingly. Now you got the question. Now are you getting the question? The question looks complex, but it is very simple. Are you getting the question? Yes or no? Shall I repeat the question? I don't mind in repeating. You need to tell me. Yes, Kushbu, the third one. Yes. Oh, no, in the sense you didn't got like that. I don't understand the comment. Okay. Oh, yes, Kushbu, I'm happy to repeat. Okay, fine. Okay, those who are not doing some other thing, do other program at that time, I'm explaining the concept again. Kushbu, okay, just focus on it. You need to create a list with, I'm just giving you the example. Oh, you can choose any number of, numbers you want to put in the list is your choice. You need to generate a list with random numbers. That is the first step over here. And these numbers could be either positive or it could be negative also. If you choose to create the list with 20 numbers, then run a loop. Okay, run your loop, from 1 to 20 and fill this list with random numbers. How to fill the list with random number? There is a function, random int, that can generate the integer numbers in whatever range you are giving over here. So I want to generate the random number in a big fat range, starting from -99 to +99. So this will generate, or this function will throw any one, this will throw one number which is in this range. Whatever is the number generated, append that number onto the list. So your list gets successfully filled up with 20 such numbers which are in this range but randomly generated. Are you getting this much, Kushbu? Okay, then what you need to do, now look at the question. The question is telling that we need to print, populate the list. Okay, that is good. You need to print the kth largest number from this list. How to print the kth largest number? Just sort the number, yeah. Once you sort this list, you will get it in ascending order. And if the list is in ascending order, kth largest list, that k, again you need to take input from user, okay? If user is assuming that k is 1, if he is telling that k is 1 in the sense, you want to print the first largest number. If you sort the list, the first largest number is this only, second largest number is this only, third largest number is this only. Getting it? It is easy for you once you sort it. Now you got it? Kushbu. Yes. Good. Very good. That is the last question for today. Don't work on the next question that I've given you. We'll do the next question in the next lab. Keep it in the bank. Okay, we'll open that question in the next lab. But only till this question we are doing today. Once you're done with this question, you share your screen and you are done for the lab today, okay? No need to stress things out. This much is okay. Oh, good. Yes. Very good. Please share your screen, Vivek. Very nice. Share your screen. Yes. I can see your screen. All right. So you have random number, you're appending onto the list, okay, correct? Because it excludes 100. That's why you have written 100 over there, right? A good thought, very nice. You are inputting the, okay, n from user, correct? You are sorting the list, correct? And a negative n, good, very nice. Third largest number means negative 3 only. Yes, good, 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 very nice. Done, done. Yes, yes, yes. You are rounding up the number and you are computing odd and even. Yes, correct, correct. Very nice. Done, done. Very good. Done, Vivek. Just mention your number in the chat box and leave the session, beta. Everybody starts mentioning the number. When I say this to only one person, no. Others who are not listening, no, they will just listen, mention the numbers. That's all they'll listen. Yes, Janvi, please share your screen. See, still people are mentioning. Oh my God, okay, okay. Yes, I can see your screen. Okay, so 0 to 21, correct, because 21 is exclusive, very nice. Good thought over there. Yes, you are appending onto the list, very good. You are sorting and you are printing the, oh, nth largest number. This is the largest number. If you, again, correct only, Janvi, there is no problem in the question. If you take the input from user, no, just print it accordingly, right? Everything is correct. Very good. Done, done, done. You understand, right? If you take the n from user, no, then you can print that record accordingly. Yes, yes, yes. Done, done, done. Very good. Yes, yes. Please stop sharing. Pushbu, Ria, Mansi, you are working on this question. Ami. Yes, yes, yes. No issues, no issues. Please take your time. No worries. Yes, yes, yes. Please leave the session. Janvi, Vivek, yes, please leave the session. No issues. Khushbu, Ria, Ami, Mansi, even you can leave the session, no issues. In the session, in the lecture session, no? Oh, Ria, you are done. Okay, please share your screen. Otherwise, in the theory session, you can show it to me. I am not rushing things. There is okay. It is okay. Go have your breakfast and then be ready for the next session. Yes, I can see your screen. Okay, you are correct. Yes, appending onto the list, all right. Sorting the list and printing the largest number. Very good. Done, done, done. Very nice, Ria. Good, good. Yes, yes, please stop sharing. Yes. And please, everybody can leave the session. No worries. You can practice this. Yes, you can practice this and in the next theory session, no? No problem. You can show your solution to me. It is a very simple question. You can share your screen in the next theory session, no issues. Yes, 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 you all can leave the session, no issues. Sagar, Kapil, have you mentioned your numbers? Kapil, have you mentioned your number?
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.